Hello children. Today we are going to start with our exercise 3.2 question number 2. Use the division method to write the prime factorization of the following numbers. It is prime factorization and we have to find it by the division method. Before telling you what is the prime factorization, first of all we should understand what are the prime numbers. So see here the prime numbers. The prime number is a number greater than 1 that can only be divided by 1 or itself. So a prime number has only two factors. Please underline it also that a prime number has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. As you can see, 2 it does not come in any other table. 3, 5, 7. We can take other numbers also. 11 is also there. 13 is also there. So these numbers which don't have any factors except 1 and the number itself, they are known as prime numbers. After that, now it is prime factorization. Prime factorization is the process of writing a composite number. What is a composite number? Composite number is a number which is having more than two factors as the product of the prime numbers. There are two ways of prime factorization. First one, it is the division method. The second one is the factor tree method. Today I am going to tell you the division method. Now exercise 3.2 question number 2. We have to find the prime factorization with the help of division method. So we will write 76 here. Now every one of you is familiar with the divisibility rules. So here we have to use the divisibility rules to see whether the number is divisible by 2, 3, 5 and so on. And when we are using the prime factorization, we will start with the prime numbers only. So I am writing here the prime numbers from 2 to 20. So 2 is a prime number, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now here you see the last digit, it is 6. Now this number will be divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. What should be the last number? 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Here the last number it is 6. Now we can divide 76. 2 here, 2 3s are 6, 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2 we will write here and what is our quotient? 38 we will write here. Again now this 38 it is divisible by 2. So 2 we will write here. This is your rough work. You can check here 38 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 18. 2 9s are 18. Now 2 we have written and 19 here. Now see 19 is a prime number. So it will not be having any other factors. So we will write 19 ones are 19. So what is the prime factorization? It is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 19. Now moving towards the B part, it is 18. Now 18 is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3 also. It is divisible by 6 also. As we know 6 3s are 18. But we will not use this just because we have to start with the lowest number. The lowest number is 2. So we will start it with 2. 2 9s are 18. Now again 9 is here. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 ones are 3. So prime factorization for 18 is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. You can multiply the numbers and check whether you have done it right or wrong. See here, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 18 was our question. Now C part, it is 25. The last number, it is 5, so it will not be divisible by 2. And for divisibility by 3, what we do? We add the numbers. 2 plus 5, it is 7. So 7, it is not divisible by 3. So this will not be divisible by 3 also. Now next we have to check it by 5. We know 5 5s are 25. And here 5 ones are 5. So prime factors for 25 are 5 multiplied by 5. Now D part, it is 51. As you can see in the last number, it is 1. So it will not be divisible by 2. Next we have to check by 3. So we will add the digits. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 comes in table of 3. It means 51 will be divisible by 3. We will write 3 here and divide and check. 3 ones are 3. Now 21. Now 3 sevens are 21. So what it is? 17. So we will write 17 here. Again 17, it is a prime number. It will not be further divisible by any other number. So we will write 17 ones are 17. So which are the prime factors for 51? 3 multiplied by 17. Now E part, it is 32. Now 32, you can see the last digit, it is 2. It means it will be divisible by 2. So here we will write 2, and in the rough space you can divide and check. 2 ones are 2, 12, and 2 6 are 12. So what will come here? 16. Now 16, again it is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16. Now 8 it is again divisible by 2. 2 4s are 16. Now 4 is again divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Now we have to write the prime factors for 32. How many times here the 2 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 2 how many times? 5 times. And by multiplying all the numbers, you can check whether it is whether you have done the question right or wrong. Thank you.